welcome back to my vlog, Keith Winslet. So we're here today. Pakita mo naman sa initial video clip, may kukunin lang akong parcel. And this is just a simple vlog, unboxing and review. Okay? So, let's start. I already have it. So later we will do the unboxing and I will go ahead and check the features or advantage na itong binili ko. And let's see because based on the like in Shopee, Lazada, and even online, medyo hindi siya kilala pero medyo siya yung umaangat when it comes to reliability, how good is the product. So, tignan natin. Okay? So, there you go guys. Ito yung item na pinurchase ko. Again, this is what we call the O2 Project 60 Plus. So, technically, this is a very heavy-duty power bank. Kasi it's been a while, I have a power bank, medyo portable, and I think it's only 10,000 mAh or mAh. So ito lang siya. Medyo matagal na rin to, parang 4 years na sa akin to. So nakikita ko na medyo mabilis na siya ma-drain and whatnot. Tapos yung 2 slots pa niya to charge, isa na lang available, hindi na gumagana. So that's the reason why I decided to buy medyo heavy duty siya. So I think this is made in China, and when I'm browsing Shopee or Lazada, ito palagi ang sumusulpot every time I do let's say do a search for power banks. So siya yung nakikita ko na medyo mataas ang rating. Pero hindi siya ganun siya kilala, pero ang taas ng rating niya when it comes to reliability, how efficient, tapos gaano siya ka useful kahit you use multiple gadgets to charge. And the reason why I bought this as well is because well, very obvious. I am doing vlog and most of my contents are travel vlog, cycling vlog, or sometimes indoor vlogging. Pero syempre, at the end of the day, if especially for travel and doing cycling, medyo mabilis mag-lowbat na to. So I decided to buy a new one. And ito naman, totally different. From 10,000 mAh or mAh, I choose now is 60,000 mAh. So, di ba? So, if you can see it in the screen, yan yon. And then later, I will play a simple video clip ng produktong to. Again, not intended, but shout out to the actual video creator neto, which is the O2 Project, I believe. So, you can also check their website, and I will share the link here or in the description. Pero, let's do some quick unboxing and review. Okay? Let's open it. So there you have it. You saw the time lapse earlier when I'm doing the unboxing. So I'll just make a quick gadget review on this one. So, medyo malaki siya talaga. And talagang pang heavy duty. So, again, sabi ko nga kanina, this is under the company name O2, if you can, O2 project. So, here in their website, so ito yung official website nila, I'll just put it there. And just a quick, ano yung specs niya or the brand. So again, this is a 60,000 mAh, which is an output interface. Marami siyang input and outputs. For the output is a micro USB, USB micro, then USB Type-C, DC, and 4 USBs. And then that's the output. But for the input interface is USB, DC, micro USB, AC, Type-C, and USB Type-C. So I will also share it in the screen so you will know what I'm referring to. And then the function is a quick charge support LED display, as you can see. And then it's an ultra slim, waterproof, fast charging portable power station LED display as well. So ito siya. And then the battery type is I believe this is a lithium polymer battery. And take note, it's a 60,000 mAh. So ibig sabihin, may 6 na, each battery like pack is 10,000 mAh each. So 6 siya, so it's 60,000. And then model type, technically it weighs 292 grams. Very heavy talaga. I'll be honest with you, with the logo of 60 plus. So that's it. What else? The socket, it's a standard. Technically, it's a universal, meaning you need to get a power brick USB. But I believe the charging itself, it's Type-C. Yeah, somewhere here. So, but one thing for sure, what else? For the, like what I said, for the universal protection, it protects over discharging, short circuit protection. So it has a built-in overcharging as well, low tension. So bottom line, it's like there's nagsusupport dito kung na-overcharge, na-undercharge, nagkaroon ng short circuit, you're sucking it in a wrong, let's say this is a 110, but it's not a 110. Let's say 220 to 110 and 110 to 220, so on and so forth. Okay? So again, the dimension, it's quite bigger from the width, length, and the actual radius itself. So medyo ano siya talaga, pang you can use it like outdoor camping, you name it. So in my case, since I do, like I mentioned, travel vlog, if I will carry this in my bag, it's really heavy. I will not deny it. Imagine 292 grams. And then the other features niya is technically you can use for your tablet, mobile phones, or charging another power bank like this one. You can use also a USB, let's say USB wherein you have a light. So, but the good thing about this, it has a portable LED lights. So, meaning, let me turn it on. Then I think you will do a press hard. Am I right? So, meron din siyang portable lights. So, I'll try to figure it out first. Pero, yeah, if you saw the video, there you go. Long press lang pala. Long press hold. Yon. And then, if I'll stop it, that's it. Okay? So, right now, just to give you an idea, this is an standard is 8-hour charging. But if you can see, ilang bars pa siya, kailangan 100%, right? So, meron pa siyang total of 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. So, hindi ko muna siya i-charge fully. Try ko muna i-drain. Pag 1 bar to go, that's the time if a full charge ko siya. Okay? So, having said that, Now let's just before we end this vlog, how much siya? I order it in Lazada online. Technically, this is a third-party seller, so shout out to you. Thank you very much. So technically, this is a total, including the delivery fee, it's a total of 182 ringgit. So in peso, I don't know, just do the math, parang 2,000 something. Pero one thing for sure is 182 ringgit. Some other sellers, very expensive, 200 plus, 190. So this specific seller, so far, siya yung pinaka-cheapest. So kaya, and it's been a while then, I don't have a power bank na medyo reliable. Ito medyo nahihirapan na. So that's why I bought a heavy duty. So hindi siya talaga joke. Heavy talaga siya. So again, this is under O2 project. As I hope you can see it there. And then you can see also the standard specs ng power bank na to. Okay? So without further ado, I hope you like this simple video. Please hit the like and subscribe. And if you want to receive incoming and future videos just like this one, hit also the bell notification. Okay? So without further ado, thank you very much. Stay safe. Always remember, eat, vlog, sleep, and repeat. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Terima kasih. Have a great day, guys. I will enjoy now my power bank. Bye.